Hello my friend. I will show you how to use this wireless detector. Okay. This is connect to DC power adapt. DC power adapt. And this. Okay. You can see there is a wireless model. Okay. Part 1 and part 2. Now. Now this is DC power adapt. Okay. This is alarm host.
System to sound.
Okay. Now I will program this together with this alarm host.
Please enter instruction. Detector coding.
Okay. Just this way. And then
Coding completed.
yes, good.
Please enter instruction.
Okay. So program successfully. Okay.
System on.
Okay. Let us arm the system. Okay. Let us test it. Yes, alarm. Yes. Already alarm. Good. You can see. Good. Okay. No. And I will tell you. This is wired. Wired. No, there's no motor. No. I will show to you. Okay, you can see. Wireless. Wired. This is wired detector. Okay, wired. And this is wireless. Okay, thank you.